Hello, I'm Lynn Watts with Wyatt the Wonder Dog today, and I'm here today to tell you about our social emotional learning resource kit that I have put together for elementary school counselors. And let me tell you, there is so much in it that it will take you through the entire year and just really transform your year. So if you're committed to teaching lessons that nurture young leaders, but you're exhausted with researching and creating your own lessons, or if you have just a full schedule already of lessons to teach and you've kind of run out of creative ideas, then this is what you need to get going and to take you through the whole year with ready-made lessons that are just grab and go. So let me tell you all about them, and I'm going to share with you what comes in the kit. So first of all, Wyatt, the puppet, comes with the kit, and he's great for engaging the young kids. But what about the older kids? Well, I have 3 lesson plan books, and between the 3 of them, you are going to be able to cover lessons for grades kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade. So let me just begin with my newest book, which is designed for lessons for small groups. And it is laid out with a getting to know you game to start with, then a topic to discuss, questions to think about, and it's designed to be a journal for children. So you can make copies of the journal pages, which are right here in the book, or there's also a digital journal that goes along with it. So you can download that and you can use that for the journal for the kids. All of the lessons in all of my books are aligned with ASCA standards, so you know you're going to be right on target with that. And there's also a certificate of completion at the end of this if you want to use that as part of your group membership. There's also the Elementary School Counselor's Book of Leadership Lessons. This is based on Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And these are great traits for anybody to learn. Again, all of the lessons cover all the different grades, and you can teach the different characteristics. It's a great lessons for schools that do the Leader in Me series. There's also a very extensive bibliography with each lesson that identifies a lot of different books that you could use in as part of the lesson as well. And this has 28 grab and go lessons. You don't have to do a thing, they're all ready for you. And then finally, my most popular book is this one. This is the Elementary School Counselor's Book of Lesson Plans. It begins with a calendar that identifies a different topic for each month of the school year. And then there are lessons about that topic. So it covers everything from beginning your year with counselor introductions, all the way through friendship and cooperation and testing at the end. There's a section on bullying. And just a great resource. Again, grab and go lessons, all of them aligned with ASCA standards. And they also have activities and bibliography with each lesson to give you some ideas of how you want to use the lesson. Along with that, you also get a copy of all 9 of Wyatt's picture books. And these are everything from beginning school with kindergarten, being organized, friendship, cooperation, teamwork, all of the different character traits that you want to help children develop. So story is how we learn best. And this is a great way to help children get engaged, but also learn a very important lesson. Each book is designed as a grab and go lesson just in itself. So there are discussion questions at the back, and there's an activity at the back that you can also do to extend the lesson. So you can use these with the younger kids. With 9 books, you could pick 1 book per month and use that as your topic with the younger children. In addition to that, you of course get the Wyatt puppet. As I mentioned earlier, there's also 7 finger puppets that come along with the kit, and these are great for interactive kind of lessons. So you can use them in a classroom, you can use them in a small group, you can even use these in individual counseling. Sometimes it's a great way to communicate and get kids engaged and get them to talk. And then finally, all of this comes with a great tote bag with Wyatt's picture right on front, nurturing tomorrow's leaders. and you're good to go for the entire year. So if you are interested in purchasing this entire kit, go to nurturingtomorrowsleaders.com. I'll put a link along with this video, and you can purchase this kit and know that you're ready for the entire year, that you've got your calendar set up, you've got ready-made lessons. They're all aligned with ASCA standards, and they're all designed to engage children of all ages and to make your life easier and less stressful. Thank you so much for the difference that you make in children's lives, and I hope that you have a great upcoming year. Thanks for listening.